So today we are going to be making gluten-free pizza bread. This is a great breakfast or lunch or snack. I know my daughter has it in her lunch boxes and she has it for breakfast, so it's a good all-rounder. So the first thing that we're going to do is crack one egg into a saucepan. So if you can go ahead and do that, please. Perfect.
There's a little bit of shell.
Oh, that's okay, we can get that out. Next step, with the fork, if you can just give it a little whisk around, just to sort of spread it around the plate, because that's it. Because what we're going to do, we're going to be dunking in the bread, which we've got just here. We've also got a little bit of tomato puree and some cheese. So this is a very simple recipe, and very, very tasty.
And you can add all sorts of different toppings to it.
Like what sort of toppings do you think you could add to it?
You could add cheese, mozzarella, pesto.
Ooh,
Basically
pesto.
whatever you want.
I haven't tried pesto yet. Maybe we can try pesto of this one.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
So next thing we're going to do is going to dunk one side of the bread into the egg. So if you can do that now, please.
Okay.
Give it a little swish around. And then you want to turn it over and put it onto the tray. So the tray has got non-stick baking paper on it. That's it. Perfect. Just to obviously stop it from sticking, and it's a lot more healthier because we're dealing with gluten free. So, and it's also recommended to have a designated tray regardless. But the baking paper is an extra bit of reassurance. So yeah, good job. So next step, we're going to spoon that tomato puree onto the top of the bread. And with the knife, we just want to sort of spread it around to give it a nice topping.
And when you add the toppings, it tastes just like actual pizza, which is good.
Oh yeah, because you say at school that your friends say it actually smells like pizza.
Yeah.
Hence the name pizza bread. Good stuff. It's also worth mentioning that we've put the oven on at 180 degrees, so that's probably the first thing you should do. Okay, good job. So what we've got now is a bit of pesto, which we haven't actually tried, so this is a first. So yeah, it's gluten-free green pesto, just a little bit, so if you want to put a little bit on top.
Not all of it.
All of it, yeah, sorry. It's a little bit there. And then give it a little spread.
Doesn't look very nice, but it won't.
Smells nice.
Yeah.
I mean, no, it tastes nice.
Yeah.
Because you have it in bolognese, don't you?
Yeah. Mm.
Great. So now we want to put the grated cheese on top now. So if you want to spread that on, sprinkle it on even.
Oil. I'm gonna do all of that.
Yeah, why not? Put it all on. After all, it's going to be pizza bread, so we want it to be nice and cheesy and pizza-y. You can even slice it like a pizza when it comes out.
Yeah.
Okay, that's looking good. Now the final step is to pour that egg mixture all over the top of the pizza bread. So do you want to go ahead and do that? It will be messy, but it doesn't matter.
Actually, it kind of looks like a daisy.
That's it, and go. Oh, look at that. It looks a lot better when it's cooked. So, yeah, good job. Right, so the final step we're going to do now is bake this in the oven for 10 minutes. That's all it takes. And I've mentioned before, the oven is set at 180 degrees. So let's go ahead and do that and see what it looks like after. Right, so it's finished beeping, so let's take a look at it, shall we? Turn off the oven. Oh, thank you. Right, there won't be a lot of steam.
Probably.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, that looks nice.
So here we have it. This is the pizza bread. It does smell and look fantastic. So yeah, you can see that extra bit of egg that dripped has turned into a bit of fried egg. So you don't usually like that, do you? But I'm gonna maybe give it a go. I'll give it a good home.
Good home.
Okay, so yeah, here we have it. This is the pizza bread with tomato puree, green pesto, cheese, and it's dipped in egg. And this, as I said, makes a great breakfast, a great lunch, and just a great snack. So, do you want to give it a try?
Yeah.
Alright, so it's still quite hot, but do you want to give it a little bit of try and see what, let us know what you think, because you've not had it with the pesto before, have you?
So hot.
Oh, okay.
That's nice.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Tastes like actual pizza.
Lovely. There's the verdict. Well done, sounds good. Okay, so yeah, if you like to give this a try, then do let us know how you get on, and please leave a comment, and yeah, let's get a conversation going about this lovely breakfast and snack. Right, so my son's here to give it a try, so here you go. Do you want to give it a go? It's pizza bread with a bit of pesto.
It's better than I expected, actually.
Is it? What do you like about it?
It's just like the pesto. I've never tried the pesto before.
All right, so it's. Do you think you might want to have this as well?
Yeah.
Oh, good job. Wow. Okay, there we go. So there's another satisfied customer.
That is really hot. But
It's-
I love it.
It's just come out of the oven, so yeah.
Oh.
And there's
It's
one
hot.
bit left, so what do we do with that?
Let's go with mum.